Want to join an extraordinary experience?
Are you 3 to 12 years old?
Are you a parent looking for a school with international standards?
Then don't miss the opportunity to join Al-Hayat International School's 7th Open House student-led workshops.
These workshops are definitely not like any others.
Save the date, Saturday, April 28th, 2018, anytime between 10 and 1.
The workshops will be running in the school premises, Aramoon, Ras Al-Zaytun.
For further information, please call us on 7817 217 or text us on info@alhayat-school.com.
You can also visit our website www.alhayat-school.com or our Facebook page Al-Hayat International School.
Al-Hayat International School, progressive education, genuine values.